considered a junior suite here in Salzburg. But let's take a peek. You never know, it could be pretty cool. Ooh, someone's in trouble. Woo! That's not the only view. So's a relationship. It's hot. What do you say?
Smile at me.
I'm trying.
Yeah, I'm not taking a photo. This is a video.
Oh, video.
Hi.
Yeah, right.
What do you think of your backdrop there?
Beautiful.
That's very nice. Beautiful.
That walkway bridge is golden. You see the gold on it?
This is awesome. Whose hometown is this?
Mozart.
Amadeus Mozart.
Yes.
We're gonna go see his house in a little bit. All right, we're going to the Mirabell Gardens here. We got Grandma Carol,
1965.
our guide,
I
and
remember
Chris.
that well.
Get it in. Some pretty cool stuff. We're at Mirabell Gardens. I think it belonged to a prince back in the day. Not this one, but a prince nonetheless.
Good.
We're going across the bridge in Salzburg. I think it's the Salz River. I think. It's pretty cool though. What a gorgeous day here. We just landed at 8:30. Took a 2-hour drive from Munich to Salzburg. Snuck in some food and then we're here with our guide. This is really cool. What's up, man? Where are we? We're in Salzburg, Austria. How cool is this? This place is so cool. This place is dope. The building was made in 1558. Next to the building, says 2009. In 1634. A medieval hospital. Check out how cool this place is.
Hotel de Dieu. Yeah, like the French say. Hotel de Dieu. The Hotel of God.
Like where they were hiding the people.
Huh? I will show you. I will show you. This is what they do. We are going
Funicular.
up there.
All the way up. High above Salzburg.
High above Salzburg.
Turn around. Yeah, put it as high up as you can. Kind of tilting it down.
You don't have to do that.
Tilt it down a little bit. Ooh, there you go. Perfect. Yeah! Yeah, those
Yeah, the
horses are over
shortcut.
there.
And there you see the red, white, red flag, and that's marking Mozart's purpose.
Raindrops.
They were renting 3 rooms.
Okay.
And the father, he dealt with instruments. And that
Okay.
needs space.
And he
And this
wanted
is
to
why-
play.
And this is why on the other side they had an 8-room apartment. Yeah, from a
So they had a 3-room
3-room here.
And now they
in
got
the
an 8-room.
birthplace, and then an 8-room apartment.
because
in the
they were making music.
also music, but also having more place reserved for stocking beans.
What if they were making loud music and upsetting the neighbors? They could have been upsetting the neighbors too. You never know. If the music was too loud.
Mozart had the clavecin. That is where you can adjust the noise.
Okay.
Yeah, that it is so silent that,
That
he
no one-
even did his compositions at night.
Oh, really?
He was a workaholic.
Did you hear that, Morris?
Yeah.
Morris, you should be making your music without bothering people, like Mozart.
You're in a good position also for the Italian.
I'm doing it, Chris. We're going up Mozart's walkway. So this is looking outside Wolfgang's apartment. Well, I don't think they had buses back then, but it goes right into Mirabell Park, man. See that right over across the street? Yeah, right over there. That's where we were. That's Mirabell Park.
That's the Sound Music Park.
The Sound of Music Park. Yeah, Chris knows. He knows what's up. We both know what's up. 1787. Looks like a letter. That's Mozart's viola. I think this is how tall Amadeus Mozart was. That seems about right. Wow, he's tiny. He's smaller than Prince. Welcome to Geriatric Park.
That's not even funny.
did it, Dad. We tackled those steps. It's all good. More steps.
Damn this place.
Damn this place. This place is awful. There's steps everywhere. Oh. There's a lot of action here. What do you think?
I think it looks really cool.
It's pretty awesome, huh?
Yes.
Well, those shoes are sure popular.
Yeah.
My Birks?
Yeah.
It's a wine bar. Frappuccino. It's a wine bar. With a glockenspiel. Look at this. Oh.
Three, two, one, filming.
Filming.